everyone, I'm Pauline. It's October, so getting near Halloween. So I've got a craft for you today and we are going to make a bat, okay? So what are you going to need? Well, you need a bit of a cardboard tube, your usual crayon, scissors and glue, some coloured card or paper if you've got it, but remember you can always do this in white and colour it in. Googly eyes or something to make the eyes with, buttons maybe, pipe cleaners. Now I'm going to do this two ways, so if you want maybe a twig and some leaves to attach to it, or we can do the branch with pipe cleaners as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your tube and you're going to colour or paint it black, unless you're going to make a very colourful bat. Okay, the next bit you're going to need a bit of adult help for. We need to be able to put legs through so that we've got something for the bat to hang from. So we need two little holes in the back of the tube. Now that's quite tricky, so because you need to do it with something sharp, so get a grown-up to help you and just push your scissors or something with a sharp point through to make the two holes for the pipe cleaners to go through. Okay, now I've got the bat's ears ready, so at the opposite side of your tube to where the holes are, I'm going to glue those on. Okay, so a bit of glue on the bottom and inside your tube. Okay, now depending on what you want for your eyes, I'm just going to use googly eyes, but you can make paper ones. You might have some other ideas, so we're going to put those on as well. Okay, so I'll just glue those on too. You'll need then a crayon or something to draw the mouth on with. So I'll just use a red pen here. Oops. So there's my eyes on. Okay, so I'm just going to get a pen and I'm going to draw the mouth on. Okay, I'm going to make a nice smiley bat here. Just make that nice and okay. So there's your bat's face done. Now I've also got the bat's wings ready. Okay, so I just made a template and then drew round that. Okay, so I can now glue those on. So I'm wanting to glue those round the side like that. Quite a bit of glue on this so that it sticks. Okay, so one on here. That looks about the right place. Okay, maybe need a minute or two to dry. And then the other one, oops, the other one on the other side. Okay, so and then have a look and see how that looks. That looks about right, I think. I'll just press those down. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pipe cleaners and I'm going to thread them through the hole that I made with my scissors. Okay, so actually it goes better that way. Now I need to put it through like that, and then I need a little bit to twist round, okay, to hold that in place, like so. And the same with the other one. Through and a wee twist. Now, these are a bit long, so the next thing I'm going to do, okay, so there we are, is cut a wee bit off the bottom. Okay, so again, this is a wee bit tricky, so get somebody to help you. So a wee bit off the bottom here. Okay, try and make them the same length. because the wire's inside it, then it's quite difficult. Now, with these wee bits, I'm going to just wind those round the bottom of the leg, because that'll give us something to attach it to the branch. Okay, so just wind that round, and then there we are. Okay, the next thing is, so this one I got a twig with some leaves on and attached it to that, and as the nice coloured leaves start to come off the trees, that would be a nice thing to do. But you can also do this with pipe cleaners, okay, like this one. So what I did for that was I took a couple of pipe cleaners to make it a bit stronger, and then I just twisted them together all the way. And because I wanted it a bit longer, I also then attached another two to the end, okay, to give me a better length. Okay. Now, I made some paper leaves for this one. So you just need to draw out some leaf shapes, and remember to leave a bit of a stalk on your leaves, because you need that to twist round your pipe cleaner, okay, so that you can then put a wee bit of tape to hold it on. So I've got one here, and then for this I'm going to turn my bat upside down again, and I'm going to twist those little bits that I had at the end there round, okay, to keep it on. And because it's pipe cleaners, it works really well, easy to do, okay. And so there you are, done like this as well. So I hope you have lots of fun. You might want to decorate your house for Halloween with some bats like this. Have fun, and I'll see you again soon with another craft. Bye bye.